Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. Liberty Business and the Small Business Association of Jamaica have signed a memorandum of understanding. Under the partnership, eligible SBAJ members who subscribe to a qualifying Liberty Business broadband package will receive free installation and their choice of 3 digital business solutions at no charge for 6 months. These solutions include a professional business website and online store, a custom business email domain, digital marketing solutions, digital help desk services, secure cloud storage, and cybersecurity protection. Liberty Business and the SBAJ will also work together to encourage innovation and digital adoption while providing educational opportunities through workshops, seminars, webinars, and training sessions. Charles Manos, Senior Director of Liberty Business, said the partnership is designed to give small businesses access to some of the same digital capabilities increasingly being used by larger organizations to improve productivity, customer engagement, and competitiveness. SBAJ President Garnet Reed said the partnership has the potential to make technology adoption more achievable for small businesses at a time when digital capability is becoming increasingly important to their growth. For the trading period of August 4, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 10,292,723 units representing 32.10% of market sales. Dermon Trading Company Limited with 4,742,245 units representing 14.79% of market sales. Carreras Limited shares with 1,513,412 units representing 4.72% of market sales. Investor activity remained concentrated in logistics and transportation plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for August 4, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $159.61 and buying at $157.63. Moderate gains supported by $2 transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $112.34 and was bought for $110.34. The British pound had continued volatility, which offered short-term trading opportunities of 93 cents in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $212.39 and was bought for $213.32. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, as employees build careers, many will eventually pursue a different path. That's starting a business. When that day comes, talent alone isn't enough. One of the biggest factors influencing a successful transition to self-employment is financial readiness, and that includes having a healthy credit profile. A strong credit report and credit score can help aspiring entrepreneurs access startup financing, secure business credit, and manage cash flow during the critical early stages of business ownership. This is why financial wellness should be a part of every employee development strategy. Helping employees understand budgeting, debt management, and credit isn't just about improving their personal finances. It's about giving them the tools to pursue future opportunities when they remain with the organization or choose to build businesses of their own. Great organizations don't just prepare people for their next promotion, they prepare them for the next chapter. Financially confident employees become confident leaders, innovators, and entrepreneurs. In our funded and focused feature, as a business coach, I'm encouraging entrepreneurs to rethink how they prepare for funding. AI can help you generate business ideas, write business plans, and create financial projections in minutes. But if everyone has access to the same tools, your idea alone is no longer your competitive advantage. Your execution is. Today's lenders and investors are looking beyond the business concept. They want evidence that you understand your market, can manage your finances, and have built a business that is ready to grow. AI can help you start the journey. Preparation, financial discipline, and execution are what will help you secure funding. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.